Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter Easter eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of softened butter, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Finally, have 12 ounces of your favorite melting chocolate ready for the final step. Now let's create that irresistible peanut butter filling. In a large bowl, combine your softened butter and creamy peanut butter until they are smoothly blended. Next, slowly add the powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. Mix everything thoroughly until you have a consistent, firm dough. This mixture should be easy to handle and hold its shape, perfect for forming our eggs. With your peanut butter mixture ready, it's time to shape those festive eggs. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into an egg shape, aiming for about 1½ inches in length. Arrange your perfectly formed eggs on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Once all your eggs are shaped, place the tray in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for firming them up before dipping. Finally, let's give our peanut butter eggs their delicious chocolate coating. Melt your 12 ounces of chocolate according to the package directions, ensuring it's smooth and ready for dipping. Carefully dip each chilled peanut butter egg into the melted chocolate, making sure it's fully coated. Let any extra chocolate drip off before placing the dipped eggs back onto the parchment-lined baking sheet to set completely. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.